Welcome to Best Care. We're committed to providing you with the highest quality care and ensuring a seamless transition as Minnesota introduces the new Community First Services and Supports Program, also known as CFSS. As you make the transition to CFSS, one of the most crucial decisions is choosing between the CFSS Agency Model and the CFSS Budget Model. Best Care is here to guide you through the process and help you make an informed choice that best suits your needs. If you're wondering how the CFSS Agency and CFSS Budget Model are different, this video is for you. Let's explore each model's unique qualities to provide more insight into what might be the best fit for you. The Agency Model is the most similar to the current PCA program. This model is perfect for those who prefer to have the administrative burdens handled by seasoned professionals. In the agency model, an agency takes on the role of the employer for your support worker. This means that the agency covers recruitment, hiring, training, supervision, and payroll tasks, saving you valuable time and giving you more space to focus on your independence and well-being. In the CFSS agency model, the agency supervises workers and takes responsibility for proper training and oversight, ensuring high standards of care. A big advantage of the CFSS agency model is convenience. If you'd rather not be responsible for hiring, training, supervising workers, or managing your own budget, this model is your go-to. On the flip side, the CFSS budget model is designed for those who value more autonomy and control. Under this model, you are the employer, which means you'll have a designated budget to handle all aspects of your support workers' employment. This includes recruiting, hiring, training, supervising, and payroll management. Although this requires more involvement, it provides greater flexibility. Remember that as the employer, you'll be required to select a budget model provider who can assist you with payroll so that you can manage this critical aspect of your operations with greater ease and efficiency. While you get assistance with payroll to ensure a smooth operation, the lion's share of care management is your responsibility. Ultimately, the choice between CFSS models hinges on your personal preferences and circumstances. If the idea of handling logistical tasks and supervisory duties feels daunting, the CFSS agency model provides an excellent structure of support and relief. Conversely, if you're eager to exert more control over the budget and decision-making, the budget model is designed to empower you with that autonomy. No matter which path you choose, Best Care is here to support you. We are proud to offer both agency and budget model services, ensuring continuity of care and quality support. We are committed to answering your questions, easing your transition, and maintaining the highest quality standards. Thank you for choosing Best Care. For more information about CFSS, please visit our website at www.bestcareandmin.com or call us at 651-330-2550. We are dedicated to guiding you through this transition smoothly and ensuring your continued well-being.